Rice drink. I'm starting to feel human. Dealt with some Rice Dream lactose-free milk. I guess we're more calling it a rice drink, not exactly milk. But I know I'm gonna love this because I've had this type of product before, and they're gluten-free and they're non-GMO and all of that sort of thing, and they're calcium and vitamin D. And let you show it what it looks like. The rice drinks are usually a little bit thinner, but you can use them in place of milk really easily, and there's no surprises about the taste. And as you can see, there's a bunch of check marks here running down the side of the package. Rice Dream. Rice Dream rice drink. And there's not too... The statistics here don't show anything alarming. And a nice, healthy kind of addition to your refrigerator. It's a half-gallon container. It's ready to rock. Just undo the cap and pull the pin, and you're in business. Rice Dream, rice drink.